Heads. Heads is called. Look at that bounce. Tails. You want the ball.
Okay.
Where you want to start them at?
This side going this way.
Right here, guys. Have a good game.
All right.
Going that way.
Let's do it, brother. Good shit. Good work.
He's not coming. He's gonna bail out. Be ready. Run upfield.
Second down. And the game is important.
Caesar. Hey, all the way. Ready. Oh, no, we're good. No,
That's
we're good.
infraction, guys. We got 5 yards. Replay, second down.
Come in, Jake.
Yeah. Hey, nice and tight.
About 5 yards. I want to see what he does. He's gonna hit you right the whole day. Okay, AJ, be ready.
Go, go, go! Tommy left! Left! Go, 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 go! Tommy,
Hey, watch that pause yet. I'm breaking.
Boy. Second down. Line of gain is 20. Come on! Run up. First down to the goal. 5.
Mando!
Good. Second down to the goal.
Good mobility, boy. Fuck yeah, bro.
Mando!
Let's go. Turnover on down.
Tommy, low wide right there. Just outside the slot.
Hey, that middle, David, okay?
3-yard rush. Back up deep, right there.
Yeah. There you go. Go, Jose.
Let's start back!
Stay behind. Yeah, get. Corner, okay?
See!
Oh, I got you.
No! Yeah! Oh, come on!
Yeah. Oh, my God.
Good shit, bro. What did you get? Where did you get him, man?
We're good.
Hey,
Go.
Hey, no. Yeah, let's go! Is it too low? Too back? Nah. Go! Oh! Hey, Pete, don't stop running, bro! Hey, that's a good throw. Hey, Pete.
Rush. Go straight. Something down.
Hey! Knee down.
Third down, guys. Third down.
Come in, hey, let's have fun.
Go.
Back! Eddie!
No.
Yeah! are shooting. Two are shooting. I'm blocking. Hey, get right here.
Ready.
Get out, Jacob! Hell yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
You, guys. That's
Good. Yeah.
10.
When you got a running start, it's so hard to pick them up. We're ready. Go.
Go down, quarterback. We going or kicking?
Go down, boys.
Let me know.
1.5 running. I don't know. I think I come on when you're score. That's not what I
10. Start. Good boy, Eric. 5.
Yogi! Yo! Yogi! Get to the front!
Yeah, there's some water balls in the chest. Bring a couple of them.
Two to go! Hey, Rush, when you get to the quarterback, come back! Middle! Go, go, go!
Second down. Like 60. 10. Stay one, guys. Stay one. Come here, you hoe! Not a hoe.
Mando!
Push team, Marco! Third down. Back. 1 yard back. 1 yard. Keep coming. Keep coming. There you go. That's back.
Come up, come up.
Jake.
Marco.
There you go. Good choice. Good choice. 13-7.
Hey, sorry, what's that?
Yeah, you're good. Hey, that's more.
Give me a little time.
Quasi. 5.
Quasi. Stay there, easy. Cross the line, right there. Cross the line.
Easy. Play 6. 10.
10. Hey, Jesus. Go 10. Running.
5. Jake, kill Quasi, Jake.
Go, Quasi. go, Bobby, kill it! Arm in motion, arm in motion, arm in motion. Up! Don't go, Dorsey!
You got numbers! You got numbers!
1 yard back. Cover it, back.
It's good, but I get hungry like an hour after I eat that stuff.
Ball there.
4 hours. You're gonna be breathing. Right there, rush is good. Heavy. Jay. No.
Big.
Oh!
Hey, way to be there, kid. Way to be. Quad right. Eddie! Door! There you go! Got him! Door! Good shit, Door! Eddie!
There you go.
Chase!
Work, Dash! Work! Let's go!
Good shit, Dash! Shit.
Right here, Eddie. Right here.
Don't let him run!
That's back. Oh. Good shit.
Wow! He's the one on the run.
Got 20.
Wow!
Quick turnaround. Watch this man right here. Back.
Yeah! That's forward! That's forward! Eddie, pass it out! Go! Hey, that's forward! I didn't even pass it back.
Oh, come on, dang. Hey, we can't stop though. We can't stop. Keep going. Hey, damn, a little louder. I did.
Louder.
Y'all were just talking too much and you didn't hear me.
Hey!
Go.
Go! Atta boy! Don't just stand still, move. Get tight, point down.
Hey!
It's a good camera.
You're on the line.
Go right over.
Run to the goal.
Look up.
I got him.
Oh shit. Oh, he got it. Go! Woo!
Way to find that angle, baby.
God damn.
Way to find that angle. Wow. Good work. Good shit, guys.
We got 5 left.
Watch it now. Go.
Hey!
26-7.
Hey, Jake. Next play, come to middle.
Alright.
Hey, Alex, stay right there. If he comes out, I called it out.
Hey,
Back.
That's back. Hey.
Go.
Second down.
Go.
Yeah, baby. There you go. cabrón!
Hey! David!
He's watching you, güey. Let me do the first. I'm gonna be retiring here pretty soon. Hey,
Mírala, mírala.
hey, Tommy.
Mírala.
Drag it in that middle. Watch that side. Watch your inside, Abel. Deep, stay with him.
Whoa.
Q-tip.
Sergio! Vea José,
José,
vea José!
Go, 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 go.
That's what I'm talking about, baby! Work!
Good shit.
Good shit, Jose.
Buena, José. Papi. There you
Good
go.
shit.
Hey, get in, Marco!
Hey, get in. Whoever doesn't play, get in.
Go, 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 go! You can hit that team leader.
Got him.
Oh boy, I'm coming fucking fast. Let's go.
Second down.
I know.
Third down. Fourth down. Oh, sorry, third.
Close, right? Close, guys. Get a girl. Good shit, boy. Good shit, Ty.
Third down. 10. Five. Middle.
I know you have two on this side.
Fourth down.
Oh, yeah. Should be a little cloudy. Let's go!